Hello everyone, it's me Devante. Know that I am not the owner of this channel. This channel is my friend's account. He just gave me it to upload on since he is gonna be trying to graduate, so he cannot upload. So I'm gonna upload on it for him. Alright, so this is my main channel. So if you're gonna subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my main to my channel because I'm the one doing this tutorial. Alright, so you guys want a custom keyboard, right? That's why you clicked on this video. Alright, so go to Play Store. Alright, then what you want to do is type up Neo. It doesn't have to be Neo with keyboard. Oops, you could just type up keyboard and it should still pop up. Lit keyboard. Choose any one of these, but I recommend using Neo Lit keyboard. I already have a download, as you can see right there. Right there. All you have to do now is just open it. You have to give it access to your keyboard. I already did that, so it's not gonna ask me. You don't need premium. I will not promote anything that you need to pay for here. Alright, watch. So watch. You come here and you choose whichever keyboard you want. I choose, and so yeah, that's basically it. It's that simple. I choose this one. If you want the mic thing, you have to give it access to your mic and stuff. Yeah, that's how you get custom keyboards. Bye.